is to be repaid on a loan of rupees 12,000 for 1.5 years at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Now we have to pay the amount that is compounded half yearly, so we have to convert the rate into rate that is per annum to half years, and the time 1.5 years into half years. See the solution. We are given with principal of rupees 12,000 and rate of interest is 10% per annum, which is given annually. So we have to find the compound amount or interest according to that is half years. So we shall convert the rate of interest into half years by dividing it with 2. We shall get 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, so that is 5% half yearly, and time period is 1.5 years. When we solve this mixed fraction, we shall get 3/2 years, and we shall convert this time period into half years by multiplying it with 2. See again, when we have the rate into per annum and we have to convert it into half yearly, so we shall divide the rate with 2, and time period or the number of years to convert into half years, we multiply the time period with 2. Reciprocal operation is there. Rate is divided with 2 and the time period is multiplied with 2. Now cancelling, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, we are left with 3 half years. I have told you earlier also that 1 year is consist of 2 half years, that is the intervals of 6 months and 6 months, right? And that half year also contains 6 months. So in total 1.5 year we have 6 months and 6 months. That is 1.5 year consists of a total 18 months, which is divided into 3 half years. Okay. Now we have to find the compound amount. So applying the formula, A equals to P multiply 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Now principal is 12,000. Rate of interest is now 5, which is converted into half years. 5 upon 100. Time period is 3 half years raised to the power 3. You may also solve it or leave it with the 100 also. That is your choice if you want to solve it or not. I am solving here. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, so I shall get here 1 upon 20 raised to the power 2. Again, when we take the LCM of 1 and 20, I have LCM 20 over here. 120s are 20, multiplying it with numerator, so I shall get 20 over here. 21s are 20, 21s are 20, and multiplying that one with numerator here, with the numerator, so I shall get 1 over here. Now solving 20 plus 1, that is 21 upon 20 raised to the power 3. Writing 21 upon 20 3 times. 21 upon 20 multiply 21 upon 20 multiply with 21 upon 20. These 3 zeros are cancelled now. Reading the table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we are left with 3 multiply 21 multiply 21 multiply 21 and 2 in the denominator. When I will multiply all this, then what should I get here? I'll get 27,783 and 2 in the denominator. When I divide this with 2, I shall get the amount of rupees 13,891 rupees and 50 paise over here. That's all about this example.